Why does your scanner show the P1450 engine code? What does it mean? P1450 is a diagnostic trouble code for unable to bleed up, bleed fuel tank vacuum. The P1450 engine code indicates that the vehicle's PCM has detected excessive vacuum in the fuel tank, meaning the EVAP system cannot relieve or regulate the vacuum properly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Stuck or leaking canister purge valve. Malfunctioning vent valve. Faulty fuel tank pressure sensor. Blocked or kinked EVAP hoses. Saturated charcoal canister. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford and Mazda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.